Stoicism, a life-changing philosophy. The story of Marcus, the modern Stoic Marcus Green, was an ambitious young man working in the fast-paced world of finance in New York City. His days were filled with back-to-back meetings, urgent emails, and the relentless pressure to outperform his colleagues. Success, as he understood it, meant bigger deals, fatter bonuses, and relentless hustle. But beneath his tailored suits and confident demeanor lurked an ever-growing sense of anxiety, burnout, and dissatisfaction. One evening, after yet another long day, Marcus found himself in a small, dusty bookstore in Brooklyn, seeking refuge from his overwhelming life. His fingers brushed against a slim volume titled Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Curious about the coincidence of names, he bought the book and began reading on the subway ride home. The words of the ancient Roman emperor resonated deeply with him: "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." For the first time, Marcus felt a flicker of hope. Here was a man who had ruled an empire, faced wars, plagues, and personal loss, yet maintained an inner peace that Marcus had never known. Intrigued, Marcus delved deeper into Stoicism, exploring the teachings of Seneca, Epictetus, and Aurelius. He learned that the core of Stoicism wasn't about suppressing emotions but understanding them, focusing on what he could control, and accepting what he could not. It was about cultivating virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Applying these principles transformed his life. When deals fell through or markets crashed, he no longer spiraled into panic. Instead, he reminded himself, "Is this within my control? No. Then why waste energy on it?" He began to see setbacks as opportunities to practice resilience. His morning started with reflection, asking, "What kind of person do I want to be today?" and his evenings ended with gratitude for the lessons learned. Gradually, Marcus shifted from chasing external validation to seeking internal fulfillment. He prioritized meaningful relationships, pursued hobbies he had long abandoned, and even mentored young professionals, sharing the wisdom that had reshaped his own life. Years later, standing in front of a group of eager interns, Marcus recounted his journey. "Stoicism didn't change the world around me," he said, smiling, "but it changed how I navigated it. And that made all the difference." Through Marcus's story, we see that Stoicism isn't an ancient relic but a timeless guide. In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, it offers a compass, not to control the storms, but to steer our ships with wisdom and grace.